Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do chapter number 14 of English Grammar Class 1 and topic is preposition. So student, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that connects one person, place or thing with another. So preposition is a word that connects one person, place or thing with one another. A preposition, students, comes before noun or a pronoun. Preposition, students, comes before a noun or pronoun. It tells the position of the noun. It tells the students position of the noun. Now we will look in this picture, and the dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. So in this preposition is student under. The monkey is in the cage. Okay, in this in. The painting is on the wall. So on is preposition. Next picture, the boy is near the girl. The boy, students, near the girl. So near is the preposition. The sun is over the head. Over is the preposition. The cat is behind the basket. So behind is the preposition because it tells the position of the noun. So these are the pronouns. Okay, let us learn some preposition. Now some preposition. The cow is under the shed. Come with me, son. I study in the school. Rajan is above the wall. The books are in the bag. The dog is in front of the gate. Dog is in front of the gate. And look at the blackboard, please. So under, with, in, under, with, in, above, in, and in front, and at. These are the students' preposition. Now next, let us do the exercise. Look at the given pictures and fill in the blank. You have to fill in the blanks with the help of the words given. The man is dash the tree. Okay, we see the position of a man. So under the tree. The dog is dash the cat. The dog is behind the cat. The toy is dash the mat. Students, toy is on the mat. The matchsticks are dash the matchbox. In the matchbox. The sun is over the hat. Where is the sun? The sun is over the hat. The calendar is, where is the calendar, students? On the wall. The athlete is dash the finishing line. Where is the athlete? Near the finishing line. And he is dash Mary. He is with Mary. Now look at the pictures and write correct preposition in the space provided. Students, under, because boy is sitting under the tree. In this, in, bird is in the cage, and this is over, aeroplane is over the building. Now in, okay, the bird lays egg in the nest. Nest is in. Students are in the bus. Tick the correct alternative. The nest is dash the tree. Where is the nest, students? On. Suitable preposition will be the on. The sun is dash the mountain. Where is the sun, students? Sun is behind the mountains. Sun is behind the mountains. The fruits are dash the table. Where the fruit? The fruits are on the table. So okay students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.